Hello and welcome back. This is the introduction of SolidWorks. SolidWorks is basically a 3D software which helps you to create, validate, and transform your ideas into a product. It is basically a PLM software. PLM stands for Product Lifecycle Management, which means right from the start, that is from modeling or just what you call creating the part or assembly, managing it, and checking the feasible for manufacturing, production, and testing it and prototyping it, as well as for the maintenance like for assembly and disassembly. We use this software. Okay, we'll get to know about the basic tools which are present in the SolidWorks. We'll see the UI which has different elements. Okay, this is the menu bar. Here you can see the save options and print options and update and settings. And this tree, this left of the SolidWorks is called the feature manager tree. Feature manager tree is nothing but it contains all the features like what we have done. Like if you have created a plane, it shows the plane, and if you have extruded it, it shows extrude. It has been extruded, and it shows all the things from the in the sequence. Suppose first I have created a plane, and then I have created a extrude. First it will show a plane, and then it will show extrude. And here you can see first we have created a extrude 1, extrude 2, and mirror. It will be in the sequence of what you have done. And this is called the view toolbar. Here there, as the tool says, there are many different viewing options like suctioning, zooming in and zooming out, and different views. And here you can this eye symbol is used to hide or show the elements or the features, and this is for appearance. And here in the right we have the task pane. Here we are having the different libraries, standard pre-default standard libraries like standard nuts, standard bolts, standard bearings, which may be both ball bearing or the roller bearing or the tapered roller bearing. Many standards are stored in this task pane, which we can access it using a option called toolbox. And if you suppose if you say you have created a product or the assembly which you have to which is actually a standard, or which may not be a standard, but you frequently use it in the SolidWorks. For that one also you can create a part and assemble it, or you can just create a part which can be used as a default as a standard part or an assembly, which can be used again and again in the SolidWorks for different assemblies or again for different parts. Okay, and this is called the command manager, where we will be using most of the tools. This is the, and here we are having different options for 3D tools like extrude, revolve, sweep, loft, and draft, pattern, shell, mirror, and we can also create the planes, and there are different curve options also. And actually here there is status bar, which I have not marked here. I'll be showing it over here. Yeah, this one is called where the SolidWorks Premium is. Actually, it shows this is the status bar. Here we are editing the part, and this shows the units. This is the units, the current units. We'll see how to use that units. By default, when you install SolidWorks and open for the first time, it will ask for the default units. Right now, most of the cases, in generally, we'll be using so we have selected and as we go through the further videos, we will see how to change the units, or even if you are in the you will see how to use the different units. And here I missed one more thing, as the status bar also talks about the sketching status, whether it is fully defined or unconstrained. So the status toolbar also talks about this. We are not able to see, we are seeing the editing part, because here we can edit the parts. And when you go to sketching, there it shows the sketching status, that is, it is constrained, unconstrained, and not fully constrained. Those things we can see. These are the major elements in the SolidWorks UI. And in the coming videos, we will see how to use the different 2D sketches tools. First, we will see some problems or some exercise based on sketching. As we go through the problems, we will come to know the different tools. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and comment for any suggestions.